Today we will be discussing 3 stocks which can potentially give investors outstanding returns in future. First on the list is Anavex Life Sciences symbol AVXL. Anavex has made a drug named Anavex 2-73 with commercial name blarcamazine. The drug can be used for treatment of various central nervous system diseases, particularly Alzheimer's disease. It is a sigma-1 receptor agonist which inhibits the release of intracellular calcium into the cytoplasm in part by transferring it to the mitochondria. If taken at high concentrations, blarcamazine vastly outperforms placebo at 1 year with an expected decline of between 4 and 8 points in the Alzheimer's Disease Assessment Scale Cognitive, also known as ADAS-Cog score. In early Alzheimer's disease and in those with a functioning sigma-1 receptor, blarcamazine led to an average 4.6-point improvement at 57 weeks in ADAS-Cog scores. 4 out of 6 patients improved, 1 remained at baseline, and 1 declined in this cohort, which was the outcome of 57-week results. The effects of the drug decrease at 148 weeks. However, still, blarcamazine is a disease-modifying treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Recently, the company concluded a phase 2b/3 trial where the efficacy of 30 mg and 50 mg treatment of blarcamazine was tested. The drug met the cognitive endpoints as measured by ADAS-Cog scores. Moreover, Anavex has said that the findings in this trial were consistent with the phase 2b trial in which the high-concentration group performed better than any previous drug or drug candidate for early Alzheimer's disease. In the phase 2b/3 trial, those who improved at 48 weeks by more than -0.5 ADAS-Cog scores did so by an average of approximately 4 points, which is right in line with the high-concentration group in the phase 2a study. Presently, the company is in the process of sharing results of the trials with regulators in US, Europe and Australia. There is significant chance that the drug will be approved at least in Europe and Australia. For US, FDA may grant an accelerated approval or demand a full phase 3 trials from the company. The current market cap of Anavex is less than $1 billion. Once the drug is commercialized, a market cap of $10 billion can be easily expected for the company, keeping in view size of the population suffering from Alzheimer's disease. Hence, Anavex can give a potential 10 times return from present levels. We have a target price of $100 for Anavex. ZIM Integrated Shipping Services symbol ZIM is another outstanding stock which can give good dividend as well as capital gains. In the past month, ZIM stock price increased from below $18 and is currently trading at $22 as container shipping freight rates stopped decreasing as sharply as before. Freight rates are now below their pre-pandemic levels, and according to the not strong demand for container trading and the increasing net fleet capacity, freight rates are not expected to increase in the following months. However, they are expected to remain relatively stable. Furthermore, it is important to know that ZIM has chartered more than 94% of its capacity, and container charter rates plunged in the past 6 months. At the current freight rates and charter rates, ZIM can remain profitable. Once the interest rates start dropping and economy rebounds, shipping rates can increase too. Furthermore, the company pays 30 to 50% of net income as dividend. Any drop in price will be a good opportunity to accumulate ZIM. It can potentially give more than 100% capital gains with a target price of $45 and a handsome dividend between 15 to 25% in the years to come. Therefore, ZIM remains one of our favorite stocks from cyclicals. Cassava Sciences is another stock which presents an excellent risk-reward ratio to investors, considering the massive potential gains to be made upon the successful launch of an Alzheimer's drug, simufilm. On January 24th, the company released highly anticipated results of its open-label study of 200 patients. According to the results, 47% of patients improved on ADAS-Cog over 1 year, and this group improved by 4.7 points. An additional 23% of patients declined less than 5 points on ADAS-Cog over 1 year, and this group declined by 2.5 points. ADAS-Cog scores that change minimally, or improve, over 1 year is a highly desirable outcome in a clinical study of mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Most importantly, Simufilum was safe and well tolerated. If we look at other drugs which are already approved by FDA and does little except helping symptoms and slightly slowing the progression of disease, they have serious side effects. A Simufilum pill is excellent in this regard as it does not have any serious side effects. If the reversal of AD is confirmed in phase 3 trials, it will be one-of-a-kind stock and can potentially become a $100 billion company. It means investors can enjoy a whopping 100 times return on their investment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.